How to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your mobile and log into your account. If you're already logged into your account, click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, it will lead you to your profile. Click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. There is no one way to simply switch, so in here scroll down and click on Log Out. Then press on Log Out again. You will be logged out. After that, press on Log In at the bottom. Now add your email or phone number and password. Then press on Login at the bottom and you will be logged into another account. This is how to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.